Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, we'll start with the daily chart, and you can see we got another little, bleed down. We did it here, we did it here, we did it here. This one's more steady, though. This is not like these. This was like everything's fine, 3 days, and rip it. Same kind of a thing, way back here. These have all been very violent, and they've been rejected. This is different. This has been a very steady 4, 5, 6, 7, going on 8 session bleed down, lower highs and lower lows, pretty consistently, coming down into the area of, well, not quite the 50-day. They stalled out yesterday, 25 quarter. What I will say is what I told the subscribers yesterday in the room, 26 to 36 turned into a battle zone, and I'm telling you right now, the Bears have got to lose that low today and really push down into this 50-day. Today's probably the riskiest day for, oh boy, here we go again kind of stuff. If the Bulls can maintain above 36 and then break over the top of 48, because you're going to start to reach then back towards the 20-day, and that's up at 81. That's a ways away. It's up there with the weekly pivot. If you get back there, the fact that that links up, let's see a little better on an hourly chart. You got the 20-day weekly pivot and the 9 all starting to link up in the area of 73 to 81. You don't want to get back up there if you're a bear. The problem with that is you defended it twice. You don't need to defend it a third time. It is unnecessary. What you need to do is bust this low and get down into the 50-day. This is just the kind of situation where the Bears, if they give the Bulls a little too much rope and they get back up there, well, all of a sudden we're going to be up here. And if you start printing stuff with 45s on it, we're going all the way back. Because at that point, everybody will head for the hills. And it's fine. It's a great trading tape. Doesn't matter to me. What the Bears need to have happen here is they need this to be the next little glide up that can't convert. And they need to break this down to a lower low. So they've been pretty good at executing these, especially on shorter term time frames. I did the midday talked about that yesterday. So for us, we're long the 31 area. We have been a couple of times. It came back to 32, tested our marker overnight, which is pretty cool. So we got a couple of nice trades out of it. But if the Bulls continue to look weak, and they don't look good right now, they don't look good from daily pivot, which is 47.33, back down here to 37. It's about 10 after 8 as I'm doing this. I don't have any great plans to trade before the open, but we'll let price dictate what happens here. I'm content just to let what we're in kind of work. And we're at the point now where we're not over trading. It's been a great month. It's been a great week. It's a great day yesterday. Monday was good. So we're really picking our spots and trying not to overtrade. And I suggest that the rest of you do the same. So let's talk about where stuff is. Hourly mid-band, 44.40. VWAP, volume weighted average price, 40.5. Proprietary moving average is sitting right around 43. 36 is a key area. 32 is a key area. What you've got right here you got a little lower low versus they were kind of steadily climbing here. So the Bulls are kind of vulnerable. If I do anything this morning, it's going to be to short it probably against this hourly midband and see if they can break the low before we even open the day. So I don't usually tell you guys about setups on here, but I'm sitting here looking at this thing and I'm just talking out loud. So, that's for educational purposes only, obviously. But if they can't take out the hourly midband, well, this is just the next in the long line of lower highs to lower lows. The key for the Bears is once they do that, if they're able to pull that off, it's, how does the 50 look? Can we close below the 50? I don't know. So that's all I got. We had a phenomenal paid subscriber Q&A yesterday in the room, about 75 minutes, went through everything, really drilled down on some stuff. For the paid members, that's going to be up on the website this morning, so you guys can go back and watch the recording whenever you need to. we are doing a live training tomorrow in the Facebook group, noon Eastern time, on risk management essentials. If you haven't already joined the Facebook group, today is the day to join the Facebook group. I will not be throwing this out on the site or throwing it out on, on cyberspace. It's going to reside, these trainings are going to reside in the Facebook group solely for now. So come check that out. And it's a great little community we're building over there. And if you're interested in what we do, and it's not just futures, understanding risk essentials is not just about trading the mini. It's about trading. The 5 things you need to know to manage a trade is not about trading minis. It's about the 5 things you need to know to trade from a trader. It hits big areas. So whether you're stocks, options, bonds, crypto, I don't know, whatever you young bucks are trading right now, it applies to all of it. All of it. And you have to master it if you're going to be successful over the long haul. And if you don't master these things, especially you guys that are just showing up trading all this stuff, eventually the market's going to find you. But if you apply these principles, you have the best chance to ward off difficult lessons in your trading career. All right. With that happy note, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Join the Facebook group. I'll be out with a midday. Talk to you then. Be good. Or don't. Talk to you. Trade them well.